Okay, we'll start the lesson. We'll start the handwork. Isaac, kadala parippu මේ තියෙන kadala parippu. මම බලට පේනවද? Then teacher මේවා තමයි මේවෙන් තමයි අද handwork එක කරන්න යන්නේ. And you have this board. Have, right? So take it. We are going to do a nice corn, right? So take this board. Yes, that's right, Shannon.
ටීචර් පරිප්පු ගත්තට කමක් නැද්ද?
අනේ මේ අර චූටි වැඩිනේ එතකොට ටිකක් අමාරුයි යලවන්න. කමක් නැහැ. Right. Now here, this is the corn. Have you seen actual corns? ඇත්ත corns දැකලා තියෙනවද බබාලා? දන්නව නේද? boil කරලා කනවා නේද? අම්මි ගෙනල්ලා දෙනවා නේද කන්න? seeds වෙන් කරලා ඊට පස්සේ කනවනේ? right. දැන් අපි මේ corn එකක් හදන්නයි යන්නේ. Right? Vihansha, take this board, Baba. This board, right, you have it, right. Right, can you see lines? Can you see the lines here? Teacher has given some lines. Can see the lines. Now we are not going to paste on the lines, right? In between, මේ lines මැද්දේ තමයි අපි දාල් අලවගෙන යන්නේ. Lines ටික එහෙමම පේන්න තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Right? Shall we apply some glue and we'll see how to paste? Right now, do you have glue with you? Glue තියනවද පුතාලා ගාව? Right. So use your index finger to apply glue. Right? Index finger. Now this is a little bit difficult. I'm going to apply glue here in between the lines, not on the line. Right? Slowly apply. Now I am pasting. Now you have glue on your index finger. See? Look at my index fingers. Here now glue. Now you can't touch with this index finger. You can't touch, right? So leave it and use other fingers to paste. Here you have other 4 fingers. We are going to use these fingers. Okay? Take dal from these 4, not from the index. Glue තියන ඇඟිල්ලෙන් දාල් අල්ලන්න නැහැ බබාලා. අනිත් ඇඟිලි 4න් තමයි දාල් ගන්නෙ. Right? අනිත් ඇඟිලි වලින් අරගෙන අලවමු බලන්න දැන්. දැන් glue තියනවනේ. හිමීට අලවන්න ඕනේ. Especially you can use these 2 fingers. See? The thumb and the tall finger. Teacher also pasting slowly, teacher also pasting. Like y'all. Cindy, I can't see you. Got angry with me? Now you can't put at once. Slowly in a line you need to paste. I'll paste one line and I'll show you. See? Look here, look at the teacher's one. Look at the teacher's one. Here teacher has pasted 2 lines. Cindy, show me your one. Pasted. Right, very nice, Cindy. Complete. Slowly paste. Take your time and paste. Here, teacher's one. Teacher has done two lines. I have done 2 lines. It's difficult. Right. It's difficult, Cindy. Now all your friends, the other friends, they will put nice pictures to the group. You take your time and slowly paste. It's okay. Oh. Cindy, where's your smiling face? Smiling face? I want to see your smiling face. Difficult to paste. Okay, children, right? Take your time. Shannon, show me your one up to now. Just keep your board like this and show me your one, Shannon. Wow, very nice. Shannon, you have pasted a lot. Right. Vetucha, where's your one? Very good, Bihansha. Very nice. Complete the other side also. Vetucha, even teacher has done only 2 lines. I have more to complete. Very good, Vetucha. Risindi also good. Complete it. Slowly complete. Take your time and slowly complete. It's okay. Vetun, where's your one? Vetun, where's your board? Yeah, this is teacher's one. Where's your one? Did you paste, Vetun?
Okay.
Huh? You didn't do? Vetun kare nadda putra? Alava neda, right. Complete it. ඔක්කොම complete කරලා teacherට ලස්සන photo එකක් දාන්න group එකට. Okay? Shannon, very nice. Okay, now once you finish pasting down on this cone, you can take a crayon, right? Use light green color to color these leaves, right? Use light green color to color the stem and the leaves. Okay, light green color. Complete and put a picture, and I'm also going to put a picture. I need time to complete this. I'll complete and put a picture. Okay, you also complete, right? Okay, now you can do it slowly. Take your time and do. This is the second lesson for the day. Again, I'm going to come on Monday. Okay.